Okay, y'all. I done blow dry my hair up. I mean, okay, y'all. I done washed my hair up. Had the conditioning, let it sit, and now I'm about to blow dry it using this grease. And then, yeah. My hair has a lot of gray, y'all. Oh my God. So that's what's going on here. Take my glasses off. Ah. That's it for that. Okay, back up a little bit. Okay. Make sure I can see what's going on. Hold on. I got snow over there on the floor. But yeah. But it's okay. Where's the big one? I'm gonna start with the little one. Conditioner soft. Okay, y'all. The blow dryer is loud, so we're gonna be playing some music in the background while I blow dry my hair. Okay? All right. I know for the ones who are new looking at me for the first time blow dry my hair, I know y'all probably say, well, why are you downstairs in the dining room area or living room area, right? But I'm really in the dining room area because if I go upstairs in the bathroom area to do my hair or any place upstairs, it's my smoke alarm there. So that would trigger the blow dryer. If it get too hot, like you see the steam coming out there, it will set off my alarm for my smoke detector, and they think it's a fire. So it was set, and then it will set my alarm system off. So that's why I'm down here, downstairs, because it's more open space. So let's get back to the blow drying. You better come on through here. Okay. Ah. You better come on through here. All right. Yes. That's why I'm about to close this back up again. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Y'all see me looking right there? It's my mirror behind y'all. Look over there. Look who watching me, y'all. Y'all guess who watching me? Sitting there in the chair, in a luxury chair watching me. I'm going to let y'all see. Hold on. Y'all see over there? Can y'all see? Star sitting over there watching me. I missed her so much, y'all. We missed her so much. Glad she's back home with us. Yes, Star. So I don't blow dry enough. So when my daughter comes to braid me up before she puts... What's it? Before she put the locks in. Look at my hair. My hair is growing, y'all. Ah! Growing. Yeah. So now I'm about to begin to wrap. Let me see what time it is. What time it is? I still got time. Because I was going to do the wrapping first. And then do my hair. But I look at the timing. And I say I better blow dry my hair before I have to go outside. So I blow dry the hair. The hair's all dried. Yep, all dry all the way through. So now we're gonna begin to wrapping some of the gifts so we can put under the tree. Okay? So let's go. What happened? We done run out of time? Oh. Y'all, the time done run out. So I guess I'll wrap up the gift on tomorrow. When one is not here, the other one is not here. Maybe both. So y'all stay tuned, okay? Y'all keep your post notification bell on so y'all can be notified when I post this video. Okay, and also when I post the next video showing y'all that I wrapping the gift or whatever. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm out. Mwah.